acetate, apparel, bleach, bottom, brand name, buckle, budget, bursting at the seams, button, chic, collar, counterfeit, cuff, denim, dry clean, epaulette, fits like a glove, flannel, hand wash, haute couture, have a card up one sleeve, hem, iron, knock-off, lapel, leather, leg, linen, lining, mass-produced, off the peg, pocket, polyester, put oneself in somebody's shoes, rayon, sail, seam, seasonal, stock, supply chain, tag, take one's hat off to somebody, tumble dry, upcycle, viscose, waistband, wear your heart on your sleeve, wool, zipper,